Gantry milling machine is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of a large machine tool to remove material from a workpiece. The machine is designed with a bridge-like structure that spans over the workpiece, allowing for the cutting tool to move in multiple directions. This type of machine is commonly used for the production of large and complex parts, such as those used in the aerospace and automotive industries. The Gantry milling machine is capable of performing a wide range of operations, including drilling, tapping, and boring. It is also able to work with a variety of materials, such as metals, plastics, and composites. The machine is operated by highly skilled technicians who are trained to use the latest software and technology to ensure precision and accuracy in the manufacturing process. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom parts and components for a variety of industries. The company has a team of experienced technicians who are trained to use the latest equipment and technology to ensure the highest quality products. The Gantry milling machine is one of the many services offered by Berkness Company, and it is used to produce large and complex parts for customers in the aerospace, automotive, and other industries. If you are interested in learning more about the Gantry milling machine and how it can be used to produce high-quality parts and components, you can visit the Contact Us page on the Berkness Company website. The company's team of experts will be happy to answer any questions you may have and provide you with more information about their services. Whether you are looking for a custom part or component for your business or need help with a specific manufacturing project, Berkness Company has the expertise and experience to meet your needs. FAQs. 1. What is a Gantry milling machine and how does it work? A gantry milling machine is a type of milling machine that has a gantry frame, which is a structure that spans over the workspace and supports the milling head. The gantry frame is typically made of steel or aluminum and is designed to provide stability and rigidity to the machine. The milling head is mounted on a vertical column that moves up and down along the gantry frame, allowing the machine to perform vertical milling operations. The workpiece is placed on a table that moves in the X and Y directions, allowing the machine to perform horizontal milling operations. Gantry milling machines are used for machining large and heavy parts that require high precision and accuracy. 2. What are the advantages of using a gantry milling machine? One of the main advantages of using a gantry milling machine is its ability to machine large and heavy parts with high precision and accuracy. The gantry frame provides stability and rigidity to the machine, which reduces vibration and improves the quality of the machined parts. Gantry milling machines are also versatile and can be used for a wide range of applications, including aerospace, automotive, and industrial manufacturing. Additionally, gantry milling machines can be automated, which increases productivity and reduces labor costs. 3. What are the different types of gantry milling machines? There are several different types of gantry milling machines, including fixed gantry milling machines, moving gantry milling machines, and bridge-type milling machines. Fixed gantry milling machines have a stationary gantry frame and a moving table, while moving gantry milling machines have a moving gantry frame and a stationary table. Bridge-type milling machines have a gantry frame that spans the entire workspace and supports the milling head, allowing for greater flexibility and precision. Additionally, gantry milling machines can be classified based on their size and capacity, with some machines capable of machining parts that weigh several tons. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.